Hello everybody, this is another video from Dr. Jax from Guns & Cocoa. Welcome to my channel. A new percussion shotgun, single barrel percussion shotgun. And you can see it here. Oops. This is a very beautiful one. Very good condition. So it's already repaired here. Got a reparation here, an old one, and this is an 1842 style lock plate, and well, it's a bit rusty here. We will clean it. Here we will clean it. Check in the inside of the barrel, and as you can see, it's has a great barrel size. I think this is caliber 12 gauge, I think. Okay, let's disassemble it, clean it and reassemble it. Okay, the ramrod, good position, and something to work with. Guess I put this one. The pressure on the barrel. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. It's big. Like this one. Pressure on the barrel. Push in. Okay. First or second one here. Second, very easy. Yup. Okay, this is also easy. Okay, now let's open the lock. And now check out this. Okay, maybe we have a hint on the barrel which caliber we have. Okay, we have here some beautiful markings, and here the marking that the rear screw of the barrel is in right position, and here we have the caliber size. So it's the diameter of the barrel, I think, and it's written 8.6. So it's here 8.6, and so you can see that it's almost 12 gauge, more than 12 gauge. Here's H58. Don't know what that means. Well, we have some old ornaments on it. But let's check how this come out when we clean it. And here we have a 50 loading position, and now this is decock it by pressing this here, and now we have decocked it. Okay, very good condition. This is some fat. I think I won't disassemble it because there's cannot see any rust. I will just clean it on the outside and here a bit, and putting some oil on it. And that's it. Here, let's check for the stock plate. The stock plate is a bit rusty. As you can see, it's a bit rusty. We will remove that rust so that we can get a view of that ornament here. And let me check if I can even get out these screws. And we will get out these screws, remove the rust here a bit, and then give the stock a new finish, and polishing here the brass plates a bit, and I think that's it. And let's check. see that that is history. Yeah, see that, very good condition. So we have a wedding here. And here we go. That was the 12 gauge percussion rifle restoration. So this was Dr. Jax from Guns N' Cocoa, and I hope you liked the video, and please click on like the button and follow me for more restoration videos and interesting news on historical weapons.